Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by using the right hardware, a USB-C SD card reader that matches your MacBook. Once the reader is connected, insert the SD card until it clicks. This ensures proper contact. Make sure the card is the correct type, SD, SDHC, or SDXC, so the reader can handle it. After you plug it in, open Finder and look for New Device in the sidebar. If it appears, you can proceed to access files. If not, keep the reader connected and move to the next checks. Once the card appears in Finder, you can drag files, import into photos, or open documents directly. This gives immediate access for editing and copying. If you need selective transfer, open Image Capture. It shows thumbnails and metadata and lets you pick individual files. For power users, run disk utility to verify the volume or use terminal with disk-util-list to identify the device ID. This helps when a card won't mount. Make sure to avoid writes during formatting choices until you've backed up. You finish by safely ejecting the card from Finder or disk utility. This prevents file corruption, so always confirm the device disappears before removing it. If you're preparing the card for use across Mac and Windows, format as XFAT after backing up files, because it preserves large files and cross-compatibility. If the card is not recognized, reseat it, try a different reader or port, check system information under USB, and run first aid in disk utility to repair file system issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.